welcome back to the next video of our AI roleplay Gelato AI session. And now we are going to check it out how to create a roleplay scenario. In my first video, I have shown you how to create a persona. So we have created this Sankar Rao CFO persona. Now today we are going to create the roleplay, which will be given to some of the employees for practicing. Once again, as I said, the best way to showcase you is editing an existing role play. So here you can see, I have given a name, the brief description of this particular scenario. So here you can see that practice handling a corporate term loan request as a banking manager. Sankar Rao, the CFO of Velocity Motors, has come to the branch seeking a 40 crore term loan to build a new manufacturing factory. So you as an employee, your job is to understand his requirement, access company's creditworthiness, do all other things, and then take the discussion forward. Once again, you can put up a very detailed context. So you should put up what is this company is all about, what's its turnover, what's the profitability, how many employees are there, how many years this company is in the business, and what kind of information and term loan Sankar is looking at. So Sankar wants a 8-year tenure, a 12-month moratorium during the construction, and a rate at below 9.5%. And one more important thing is that whenever you are creating a new role play, you will always have provisions to load from a template. So we have created many role play templates already. So you might want to use any of those templates and then just change it. So we have few templates available here, so you can simply click on it and then it can populate all the things and you will have provisions to edit it. So far we have seen the description, the context. Now I'm going to choose who is going to be the AI with whom the employee will practice. So that's going to be Sankar. Then I'm going to choose for this particular role play scenario is from banking and wealth management, and this scenario should be practiced for people who are 5 to 10 years experience in the banking sector. And then what kind of evaluation criteria going to be used for this conversation. So how this evaluation criteria is used is, once the conversation is over, the detailed analytics and report will find out from the conversation that how employee is performing. And you can also have a provisions to put up weightage as well. So let's say you have put a few criterias and the brief description, then you can put up the weightage. Like one particular criteria can be very heavy weightage and some might be very less. Here we also have options for suggest with AI. So how does this AI does is that it will check out the persona, it will check out the context and description that you have put up, and it will automatically suggest you what all information you should evaluate. Then we have few templates, like if it's a job interview, then it will automatically change, but of course you can add on your own. Okay, then we have a thing called the soft skill criteria. So here once again, because it's mostly the conversational skills, so you should always check about the soft skill criteria, whether the employee is able to clarify everything, how good is in the non-verbal communication, persuasion. So again you can put up your weightage. Then comes the follow-up question. So follow-up questions are nothing but the AI persona, Mr. Sankar Rao, is going to ask to the employee these questions, and how the employee responds, that will give you what kind of skills he is having. So for example, this particular question, the answer of this particular question will be checking whether the employee is given attention to detail or not. So same way you can actually add more question, you can add more skills, and these skills drop down that you are seeing, it's absolutely controllable by administrator. So you can add more skills, more skill header, everything. And all these informations will be useful when somebody is looking at the report of this particular conversation. Now comes whenever the live session is going on, there might be some notes and session tips that you want to give employee uh, to follow. It's like, let's say I'm sending one of my junior guys to handle one particular scenario, so probably I would give them some tips. So these are nothing but notes and tips which will be visible to the employee when they're taking the session. Then you can put up any end condition and also the maximum duration of this particular scenario. So just to recap, the description context is very critical. If I want, I can load a predefined template of the role play. Then I can choose with whom I want to talk to. Then I'll specify what is the work experience level, evaluation criteria. If I want, I can add more criteria, change, remove previous ones, soft skills, follow-up questions, and follow-up questions I can attach it with a skill, then live session coaching and tips, and then the duration. So that's it. So once you populate all these informations, you can just simply update, or when first time you are creating, you have to save it. So your AI persona is ready, role play is ready. Okay, so we will see then in the next session the few more functionalities, such as how to check the report, how to take the sessions and all.